So welcome back, friends and family. So today, I was going to bring you a valve adjustment video. Because before tuning the 30mm carb, there's no sense in doing it if your valves aren't adjusted correctly. But instead of bringing you a boring video about valves, I got a better idea. Let's take our first ride on our 80cc engine. Alright folks, before we even start, I do want to tell you, at no point do I want anyone to think that this is a speed test. Again, just to reiterate, this is not a speed test. Folks, this is really just to see if she'll start up without exploding, ride down the street without anything tearing up, and hope to be the start of something wonderful. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, you'll have to excuse the camera angle if it's not perfectly straight. Trying out this new chest mount, and we're going to see if we like this thing or not. Alright, so here we go. We got to pedal first. And now I'm going to release the clutch. And off we go. Whoa, this is different, guys. This is a lot different than being on Hope. Hopefully you can hear me. All right, so 20 is around where we want to keep it. I'll even maybe take it up to 25. She sounds really clunky. Now I'm pedaling. All right, let's see what happens when we pull that clutch in. Definitely a two-stroke. Cut in here. All right, this is okay, guys. So I'm pedaling, and you want to let the clutch out easy because when you drop it, it doesn't work that well. So give her a little gas, let the clutch out, and then you're off. I'm using my coaster brake, and now we're going to pedal. Oh, I'm not even looking at the speed. All right. All right, so slowing down, holding the clutch in, start the pedal. And then I'm going to slowly let out the clutch and give her gas. You can continue pedaling, but you can't keep up. Woo! Whoa, 25, okay. I'm getting too happy. Oh, well, she didn't blow up. Now we're on the sidewalk pretending like we're pedaling a pedal bike. This is something, guys. I tell you, it's just something different. This is something way different. And I gotta remember that I have a coaster brake on here and I gotta pedal backwards. I like this. All right, brake, 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 brake. Crossing over, crossing over. Let her go. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Let the clutch out and give her gas. She doesn't like 25. I'll tell you this much, it's not a lot of rattling going on. The chain you're hearing a lot, but other than that, I'm not hearing like the gas tank or anything like that. Yeah. Secret is, guys, let that clutch out easy, just like you're in first gear on a motorcycle. I'm sorry if I'm yelling. Thank you. And made it back with no major damage.